Welcome everybody to the Wild Wild West, a state that's untouchable like Elliot Ness. The track hits your eardrum like a slug to your chest. Like a vest for your Jimmy in the city of sex. We in that sunshine state where the bomb ass him be. The state where you never find a dance floor empty and pimp speed. On a mission for them greens. Lean, mean, money making machines.
Some nights I stay up, cashing in my bad luck. Some nights I call it a draw. Some nights I wish that my lips could build a castle. Some nights I wish they just fall off. But I still wake up, I still see your ghost. Oh Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. Oh, what do I stand for? What do I stand for? Most nights I don't know anymore. Found a martyr in my bed tonight. Stops my bones from wandering. Just who I am, who I am, who I am. Oh, who am I? Well, some nights I wish that this all would end, 'cause I could use some friends for a change. And some nights I'm scared you'll forget me again. Some nights I always win. But I still wake up, I still see your ghost. Oh Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. What do I stand for? What do I stand for? Most nights I don't know.
So this is it. I sold my soul for this. Wash my hands of that for this. I miss my mom and dad for this. No. When I see stars, when I see stars, that's all they are. When I hear songs,
They sound like a swan, so come on. Well, daddy's on 5 minutes in and I'm bored again. 10 years of this, I'm not sure if anybody understands. This one is not for the folks at home. Sorry to leave, mama had to go. Who the wants to die alone, all dried up in the desert sun? My heart is breaking for my sister and the calm that she call off. And then I look into my nephew's eyes. Man, you wouldn't believe the most amazing things that can come from some terrible night.
Someone broke the coffee pot. Flat tire Uber driver smells like a Budweiser. Late for work again. Holy shit, it's been a hell of a weekend. It's time for me to say hello, hello, anxiety. It really sucks to see you. Hello, hello, anxiety. I've been expecting you. Hello. Yeah, what time you guys close? It's my anniversary. Eat flowers.
So we've also got the second white car. The first one's not that great either, but the second white car just on that other dude's ass. You know,
Yeah, I think that's the one that's, yeah.
So this whole thing is just a whole storm of no. So we're staying like way back.
Yeah. Oh, there's a town coming up, thank goodness. Or, I don't know, maybe it's not a town.
Look.
Without you hanging round. So hello.
Oh, he's leaving. Ish,
Yeah.
maybe. No, he's not leaving.
Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh.
Let's try again today. Surprisingly, I feel okay. Soaking up the sunshine. I guess the meds are working fine. But then the feeling comes like Gary playing drums inside my chest. Pounding, pounding. Here we go again. Wow. Hello, hello, anxiety. It really sucks to see you. Hello, hello, anxiety. I've been expecting you. Hello, hello, anxiety.
That white car was smart. He would stay off that guy's butt.
I've been expecting you. I could never get through one day without you hanging round. Hello, hello, anxiety.
Dude, I swear that white car's thinking about going on the road.
Black ocean golden.
I'm not getting close to that pickup. I'm not passing it.
No.
I don't want anything to do with that pickup.
No.
I want to find a place to stop and let the 16 cars behind us go. And they can push in.
And the echoes in the halls, they dance along the walls, the memories of your ghost. You were the one that I used to love, and I'm still in love, and I never loved you the most. I've seen better days, so afraid in my youth.
Oh, there he is in the other lane.
Every little thing you had of your love unrehearsed. I've seen your best and worst, and not your worst, you're still the best, but that my
He needs to call this shit in. Like,
I know, that's what I'm thinking. But he
he
needs
just
to
did it
call.
again. He just crossed right out in front of that other fucking dude. Look, the white car finally. White car finally is like, maybe I should stay back a little. Shit. There's a little offshoot here. You see
Yeah.
it? There's one right here and then another little. We're gonna kind of pull in this second one, I think.
Oh, okay.
I just don't want to deal with that.
No.
Shark, fast and merciless. Well, the only girl that could talk to him, she couldn't swim. Tell me what's worse than this. What's worse is all the coke.
Oh my god!
Oh, are you effing kidding me right now? Oh my god, he's gonna get between us. No. Oh my gosh.
I am here to win this fight.
Oh my gosh.
I can't fucking breathe, much less believe the truth. I pick up a gun, aim for the sun, and shoot. There are days, certified
guide you to the tracks. When I turned around, I heard that sound.